And many times we tried to find partners. We failed many times. And it's really, really challenging finding someone trustable. We were referred to Opportunity Network thanks to our Italian bank, Intesa Sanpaolo. We started to be connected with a main partner in order to develop mainly medical education and training in different markets. Great experience, very, very useful to my business in different countries. And a platform that is not comparable with other existing services. I'm very thanking my bank, Intesa Sanpaolo, because they were able to provide me with a connection to Opportunity Network that is invaluable.